The machine-seated leg raise rotating crunch is a core exercise that targets the abs and obliques. I'm using the ROC-IT abdominal machine from Hoist. To get started, unlock the seat to allow it to swivel from side to side, then set it to the middle position. Sit down with your back pressed flat against the back pad, position your feet behind the roller pads, and grip the handles to the side of your head. With your knees straight ahead, contract your abs to pull the handles down while pulling your knees up to complete a crunch. While staying in the crunch position, with your abs contracted, slowly rotate your knees in a semicircle to one side of your body, then in one continuous motion, complete the semicircle by lowering your knees and bringing your upper torso back to the upright position, without allowing the weight plates to rest. That's one rep. Immediately complete another rep on the same side. Complete all the reps on one side, then rotate your knees to the other side and repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.